For our first Genially, we are going to create an interactive image, which is going to have a lot of potential for improving our communication. We can use it to create corporate content, training material, or to tell others about a great idea you've had. And we can share it in a lot of different ways, including embedding your interactive image in WordPress or in your LMS of choice.
From our panel, choose Create Genially, and then head to the category Interactive Image. Once here, we are going to select the base image that will act as the canvas background. We can upload one from our computer, paste the URL, or choose an image from Unsplash without having to leave Genially. This is the option that we are going to use today to choose an image of the city of Cordoba in Spain. With the image selected, we will move on to the editor, where we will be able to add all the resources that we need. We've chosen this image because Cordoba is the city where Genially was born. Awesome, right? We will start by naming our creation up in the title bar. Let's call it Interactive Cordoba. Now we can add all of our ideas in multiple formats, such as text, where you can even find pre-designed element sets, like in this example that we can see here. We could also include images and, of course, all of the interactive elements that we need. This time, we're going to use these two interactive elements that come with the creation by default. Let's personalize them by first changing the color. Now, let's duplicate one of them. We are going to continue with the personalization. Let's replace these icons with others so that they better fit the content that we are going to show. Now, we want to add some text, a map, and a video. We now have our base for providing interactivity. Interactivity is this icon that appears here when clicking on any element. Now, we are going to add some windows and tooltips with resources that we have already. Here, let's try to add a tooltip, which will appear when we hover over this interactive element with our mouse. We are going to embed some text that we have prepared previously. We will save it, and we have our interactivity done. Here, we are going to add a video inside of a window by simply pasting the URL in the space provided. Insert video, URL. Done. In another window, we are going to add a Google Street View map that we also have ready. We will do this by making use of the so-called code view. You can also preview your design at any time by clicking here. We would now have our creation ready to share with the world. If we wanted to, we could keep editing to add more resources or more interactive elements, even to add some animation effects to the elements. Animation is very effective for capturing your audience's attention and interest, as well as multiplying the potential of interactivity. It's almost impossible to resist clicking on it. Now, the templates come with elements that have animation, like these that you see here, but you can always personalize them or add new animation from the corresponding menu. When you've finished editing, click on All Set. You now have everything you need to present your creation or share it with the world.
We hope you've enjoyed this practical session on Genially. This is just one of the many actions you can develop with this versatile tool. I encourage you to start creating with Genially. You can find step-by-step guides in our Help Center, learn with our courses and microlearning in Genially Academy, and of course, discover tips and news on our social media and YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe to be kept up to date. We'll see you there.